In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, click on this plus at the bottom left corner, and to add an audio file, select Files. Now you can look for your audio file in Recent Files by clicking on Audio option. Look for it in one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video window, click on Gallery. If your video is recent, scroll down and click on it over here. Sorry, misclick. And then decide if you wish to send it as a Google Photos link or a low quality video. Then confirm your choice by choosing just once or always. If your video isn't recent, click on Folders instead. Click on your video over here. Tap on one of those options and select just once or always as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!